Sardinia to talk about a Frizzante wine. This is called Aragosta Vino Spumante Brut on the northwestern part of Sardinia near Alghero. The base of this wine is Vermentino. See by the colour, typical Vermentino straw colour. On the nose, peachy aromas, again typical of a Vermentino. So it's very refreshing. Again, those aromas coming, those tastes coming through the fruits. A good alternative to Prosecco, which we're all used to. This is served at 6 to 8 degrees. It's available from Itarsado at £14.50 a bottle, so why not give it a try?